Welcome to a small demonstration of SFound. SFound is a program which is similar to Scratch, but not exactly like Scratch, and it has other features and it has things that Scratch doesn't have, and it's not Flash like Scratch is, so that's a big technical advantage. Okay, so what does SFound have that Scratch doesn't have? For example, it has a command line interface. Let me show you a program that uses it. It has a terminal. So I'm going to run the terminal, run the program, and that started the terminal. As you can see down here, it's a program made out of blocks, same as Scratch. But let's see what kind of programs we can make. Let's type help. Okay, so there are the commands. Let's type the first command, tables. And what you know, here are the multiplication tables. Let's type the next command, triangle. And there's a nice ASCII art triangle. Let's type triangle mirror. And there is the mirror image of the triangle. Okay, so as you can see, this makes learning programming more easy because we can have examples which are simple text programs like the ones we used to code on old basic magazines that had listings of the program, and they're easy to understand more than a complex GUI game, which is what Scratch can do, and this one can do something else. Okay, so let's see. Also, SFound has startup and each frame events. Let me demonstrate that. Okay, so I'm going to load the Space Invaders game. And let's just run it and play it for a little bit to show you that SFound can actually make a game. Here's my Space Invaders game. I'm going to stop it. Now, down here, you'll see that this is an on-startup event, and underneath it is the each frame event. So this is good because it's more like real programming of a game in a game engine. Game engines do have these two functions and it's more realistic. Oh, and then the other thing I wanted to show you is that if I click show JS, then, and we go to the bottom here, we'll see that the program is compiled from blocks into JavaScript code. So it's easier to go from programming blocks into programming code if you know what they're equivalent to. Okay, so SFound is an HTML5 program, and I made it into a binary using NWJS, which is similar to Electron, and this means Scratch can easily be prettified by, not Scratch. Oops. Let's fix that. It's SFound. SFound can easily be prettified by putting nicer cascading style sheets. Okay, that's pretty much my simple explanation of SFound. Have a nice day.